So silly stretching, this is going to be a combination of silly stretching for adults and some of the stuff I do with the kids. So roll your head around just like this. If your head falls off, I'll give you some glue. And go the other way. All right, cool. Now we're going to stretch. We're going to go like this. Everybody go nice and easy. Go tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. And what are you, alarm clocks? It's funny to me. I don't care. Okay. Now, for the adults, when you do this, instead of stretching your neck and tearing your neck out of the shoulder, what you're going to do is you're going to do a little staying alive action from John Travolta. And what you're going to do is tilt your head one direction, feel the stretch in your neck. Now, point the opposite hand 45 degrees in the same direction your neck is going, so you're going to contract your neck muscles. Then you're going to point 45 degrees in the opposite way, and now the more that you point, the more you should feel a stretch going all the way down your neck. So point and breathe in, and breathe out. And breathe in, and when you breathe out, point more. And breathe in, and breathe out, and point more, and then relax. Now, there's a difference. Pain is when you take your finger, you put it on the fire, and your body goes, I don't want to do that. Discomfort is, this is annoying, this bothers me a little bit, but if somebody gave me $100, I can tough it out for 10 seconds. I'm not going to give you $100, but if you do this, I'll probably save you at least $100 in medical bills, because in our country that we love so much, is that if you have a pain, you go, they tell you anti-inflammatories, muscle relaxers, exploratory surgery, all this stuff, instead of Eastern philosophy, if something bothers you, strengthen the muscle, stretch the muscle, the pain goes away. Make sense?